Hello everyone, how are you guys? So, welcome to the next session of Idea Generation classes. So guys, these classes are definitely beneficial for every other student preparing for IELTS, a person who is an IELTS aspirant, they all can watch these classes. Even if you're preparing for any other exam pattern, then also these classes will be beneficial for you because essay writing is quite similar in one examination or the other. Okay, so you can just watch this and get most of it. So guys, we have a question today definitely on environment. As I mentioned yesterday, you are going to only listen to me. Okay, you'll just listen to me, you'll not make any notes right now, you'll just listen to me for another 20-25 minutes, and I'll give you the PDF in the, yeah, I'll share the PDF in the Telegram channel itself. So the name of my Telegram channel is IELTS underscore made easy. Please take care of uppercase or lowercase letter. M is uppercase, E uppercase, IELTS whole uppercase. So IELTS made easy. Yeah, that's the name of my Telegram channel. Okay. So you can just go and join there. That's a public channel. Yes, I'll share the PDF after the class. Those who are new to these sessions, the students who are attending this session for the first time, I'll recommend you to go through my two sessions, okay? One of those session is masterclass on IELTS writing. You'll find that in writing playlist. If you want, we can share the link as well in the description itself. So you will receive the first comment as the description link for Telegram channel, and next is the master class for IELTS writing. And sample answer band 7. Sample answer band 7. Okay. So please go through these two sessions. Then only you will understand everything in detail. The first, I'll recommend you to watch it in this sequence only. Firstly, watch masterclass followed by sample answer band 7. This will help you a lot. I have also uploaded one more video that is related to the assessment of writing task. How can you assess your writing task yourself? How can you check your writing task? Because in this lockdown, it's difficult to check your writing task. It's difficult. You cannot get it checked by some teacher, as you must be studying online earlier, so it's not possible to get in touch with them. So you can check your answers yourself. Most of the mistakes you'll be able to actually find, and you'll be able to get rid of those mistakes. So just do that. Okay, so now the question says, today more and more tourists are visiting places. So more and more tourists, many tourists, travelers, visitors are visiting places where conditions are difficult. Okay, so visiting places, conditions difficult or with difficult conditions, such as harsh or hostile conditions भी बोल सकते हो, such as the Sahara Desert and or the Antarctic. What are the benefits and disadvantages for tourists who visit such places? So benefits क्या है, disadvantages क्या है for tourists who visit such places? Okay, so now that we need to write, guys, but do not take the question as this only. You can take the question as what are the benefits and disadvantages as well, because if you're going to answer this, you might get a question like such, what are the benefits and disadvantages for tourists, or you may get a question, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this? Okay, so if you're getting either of two, you can actually take the question in both ways. Okay, so now let us start paraphrasing one. Today in the present generation, we already know tourists. For tourists, we can write, one second guys, for tourists we can write travelers, ठीक है, visitors, people. Okay, difficult condition, harsh, hostile, climatic condition, weather, such as the Sahara Desert or the Antarctic. So Sahara Desert mein what exactly happens? Why are we calling it harsh? Basically Sahara Desert, obviously dry desert, rainfall is less than 100 millimeters annually. So it's very less. That's one of the reasons. Water scarcity है बहुत ज़्यादा. If tourists are going there, what is happening? Natural resources वैसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा limited है. एंटार्क्टिक में और सहारा डेजर्ट में बहुत ही लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज है. इफ टूरिस्ट्स आर गोइंग देयर दे विल डेफिनेटली बी यूटिलाइजिंग natural resources, and what is it doing? It is creating dearth of resources for the localites, okay, for the inhabitants there. So people who are staying there, उनके लिए dearth हो जाती है, उनके लिए कमी हो रही है. So that's what is happening because of increasing tourists to such places, increasing number of tourists to such places. What are the benefits and disadvantages? Now we have looked at the question, we understood the question as well. So let us actually try to make the paraphrased one, or try to make a short question out of it. So tourists visiting places with difficult conditions such as Sahara and Antarctic. Okay, so let us write visitors going to, don't take care of grammar here because we are just planning, okay, or R if you want to add, you better add R, you don't get confused. Visitors are going to places with hostile or harsh conditions, ठीक है. So we know such as the Sahara, you definitely know it is a desert, and the Antarctic. So this is a short question. This is the way we'll plan our answer. Now, advantages, disadvantages, positives, negatives. This is the way you are going to plan the answer. Okay, positives, negatives. Visitors are going to places with hostile conditions such as the Sahara and the Antarctic. So the question is this only. Yes, visitors, but we can just add one more word here, and that is increasing number of visitors. Okay, more and more visitors. Okay, many visitors. Instead of more and more, we can definitely write many visitors. So now guys, the whole session is about this. Basically, we have understood the question. We are talking about environmental problems, harsh conditions, hostile weather conditions. What exactly do we need to do? What are the positives? Why are tourists? Ab yahan we are talking about positives for tourists only. Why are they going? Okay, so positives for tourists. Firstly, why are they going? So looking at this part, सबसे पहले समझो, if they are going, so now people are going for various treks as well. They're very difficult. People want to climb Mount Everest as well. That's very difficult. So in order to acclimatize themselves, they are staying in a particular place, a particular level पे जो weather है, climate है वहाँ पे, particular temperature पे they have to stay for minimum 20-25 days before even trying to attempt for the final climb. Okay, so what is it happening? Why are they doing? They want to get rid of their fear. There are two things. What are the positives for the tourist? First one is they want to get rid of the fear they have. ठीक है, fear they have for height. Usually height का fear होता है, ठीक है. So they want to get rid of the fear they have for height. They want to get rid of the fear they have for such conditions. So simply the statement is they want to get rid of the fear they have. Okay, so get a boost. Basically with the help of this they get a boost to their confidence. Okay, or their confidence gets boosted. Their confidence gets boosted up. Okay, ठीक है. So we can correlate these 2 points. We have understood what are the positives for tourists. Basically they are going to places with harsh conditions, hostile conditions, so they want to get rid of the fear they have. ठीक है, when they are going to the Antarctic, actually the conditions are very harsh over there. It's very difficult to survive in a place like such. If you are a person living in plains and you're going to deserts or you're going to Antarctic, so it's difficult. Antarctic obviously, ठीक है, way below zero, it's difficult to survive there. Very less people live in Antarctica, and those who are living, they are living in the science station. Okay, somewhere around 1000 to 5000 is the population. That's what I read recently. And basically, so that too in the science station wahan pe. Okay, but it's very difficult to survive there. So that's not the suitable survival conditions hai hi nahi wahan pe. So they are doing this to get rid of the fear they have. They want their confidence to get, ठीक है, when their confidence gets boosted up. And the second thing we can talk about is, actually they are following their passion. Some people are passionate for such adventurous activities. Some people are passionate for such adventurous activities. ठीक है, so they actually are doing this to follow their passion. So we are talking only about positives here, Abhi. So why are they doing there? They're actually here to follow their passion. To follow, ठीक है, his or her passion, follow one's passion. ठीक है, that's what is happening here. Now, these were the benefits for tourists only. ठीक है, what are the benefits to the particular area? When people are going तो economy में भी तो boost आता है वहां पे. So economy boost, ठीक है, definitely a boost to the economy of a particular place. A boost to the economy of a particular place. More than enough. ऐसा नहीं है you need so many ideas. If you have one idea, you can write only a single idea. Don't waste your time in brainstorming the idea in the examination hall. If you have a single idea, just write that idea and try to explain it with example. Explain करो उसे अच्छी तरह. How? You have to answer 3 questions. Why? How? ठीक है. So for why, ठीक है, for how you are giving example. So firstly, what are you doing? What? You are telling what is the cause. Then you are telling how is this the cause. Then you are telling why is this the cause. So you're giving 3 answers: what, why, how. And this will help you in getting marks for sure. So it is a boost to the economy of a particular place or of a particular state, ठीक है, of a particular region. Guys, I'll say one more thing here. So these tourists, why are they doing this? You must have heard people do bungee jumping, they do one adventurous activity or the other in order to get an adrenaline rush. ठीक है? Yes. Have you heard about adrenaline? Do you know what exactly is adrenaline? I'll just write it for you. They are doing in order to get an adrenaline rush. Sorry, it is NA, adrenaline rush. Okay, it is adrenaline rush. So adrenaline rush कब होता है? जब आप कोई adventurous activity करते हो, you feel actually better of this thing, and that's when you're getting the adrenaline rush. Okay, so they want to get an adrenaline rush as well. Now, next is, now we'll talk about the negatives. What are the negatives? ठीक है, और the disadvantages. Let's discuss disadvantages. Can you think of any disadvantage due to this? What is it? If you have any, क्या हो सकते हैं इसके disadvantages? We'll look at the question again. आप confused ना हो गए होगे. Many visitors are going to places with hostile weather conditions or with hostile conditions such as the Sahara and the Antarctic. Okay. So what are the disadvantages? ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट गाइस, वेस्ट नहीं करते ज्यादा टाइम. सबसे पहला डिसएडवांटेजेस, इट इज वेरी रिस्की. ओके, इट कैन एक्ट एज अ थ्रेट टू देयर लाइफ. ओके, as a threat to their life. Okay, so definitely this can act as a threat to his or her life or threat to their. Now this second one is, okay, अब ये threat क्यों है? Because the conditions are difficult to survive. What happens when a person who has not experienced such harsh weather conditions, so he'll go there, he'll try to adapt the weather, he might not be able to sustain there, he might not be able to survive there. So what will he do? He'll end up he'll actually keep trying, and he might end up losing his or her life. So he can actually, there are various cases, example can be given related to the Antarctica. There are various cases when people have gone, ठीक है, visitors have gone to the Antarctica, and one of their limbs, ठीक है, one of their limbs got amputated. Okay, they had to get amputated. And what do you know what is amputation? Amputated is या तो हाथ या पैर कुछ उनका, they had to actually cut off the limb, उनका हाथ या पैर कट करने पड़े डॉक्टर्स को विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सर्जरी. और वहां तो सर्जरी नहीं, वेदर कंडीशन ही इतना हार्श था कि देयर लेग, वन ऑफ द लेग गॉट एम्प्यूटेटेड. ठीक है, वन ऑफ द लेग्स गॉट एम्प्यूटेटेड, वन ऑफ द हैंड्स गॉट एम्प्यूटेटेड. So what is it? Why has it happened? Because of the conditions. They were unable to survive there. They actually went there in order to get that adrenaline rush, and in order to just follow their passion, in order to prove themselves something, to boost their confidence. But it is actually, it is not good for their health. It can act as a threat to their life. They can actually, yes, yeah, this amputated thing, ठीक है, there are many people who got handicapped when they went to situations, places like Antarctica. Okay, so now we are going to talk about our third point. What is the third disadvantage here? You know, the conditions in the Sahara deserts are very harsh. ठीक है, so what happens? The rainfall is less than, ठीक है, is less than 100 millimeters per year. Okay, 100 mm per year. So definitely when rainfall is less than that, so scarcity, there is water scarcity over there. ठीक है, water scarcity है, limited number of natural resources हैं. ठीक है, basic amenities जो हैं, limited number of resources हैं. पहले natural resources limited है. Okay, so when travelers, when visitors are going to places like such, when travelers are traveling to places like such, they are also using these basic necessities. ठीक है, basic amenities also they are using. सब कुछ ही बहुत ही limited number पे है. There is dearth of, ठीक है, basic necessities जो है हमारी, basic amenities हैं, food, ठीक है. So when they'll be going there, when we'll be living in a particular place, so what will happen? They'll be using the basic amenities, natural resources, which will end up in dearth of these utilities, which will definitely end up in dearth. Dearth मतलब कमी हो जाएगी for these utilities for the people. Then limited number of natural resources, basic amenities, dearth of these utilities for the people or for the inhabitants. जो वहां पे ऑलरेडी रह रहे हैं उनके लिए क्या हो जाएगी? डर्थ हो जाएगी इन्हीं सब चीजों के. इट विल एक्चुअली मेक, yeah, the conditions will become worse for them. ठीक है, फॉर द पीपल लिविंग देयर, लोकलाइट्स के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. सो दीज आर द डिसएडवांटेजेस. Disadvantages are not only for the tourists but also for the people staying there, okay, but also for the people who are living there, but also for the inhabitants of that particular region. So first one is it can act as a threat to their life, okay, they can, yes, threat to their life. They can, one can lose his or her life, amputated हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. देयर आर सिचुएशंस व्हेन many people, ठीक है, people traveling there, visitors had to get one of their limb, ठीक है, they had to get one of their limb amputated, okay. So amputated करा हो गई. Why? Because of the conditions, survive ही नहीं कर पाए, difficult for them. Another thing, Sahara में rainfall is less than 100 millimeters per ईयर. सो स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर है, वाटर बहुत ही लिमिटेड अमाउंट में अवेलेबल है, एंड दैट टू विद दीज लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज इट्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर द इनहैबिटेंट्स टू सर्वाइव देयर. Above all, the travelers are going there, and what are they doing? They are not doing any benefit to them. Yes, some sort of economy boost hai, but that cannot bring basic amenities, but that cannot bring natural resources for them. So dearth of these utilities for the people, for the inhabitants over there. So basically these are the disadvantages for a question like such. And advantages क्या थे हमारे? They want to get rid of the fear, passionate for such adventurous activities, their confidence gets boosted up, ठीक है, because whenever they do such things they feel better, adrenaline rush होता है, ये उन्हें होता है, ठीक है. So these are the positives. Boost to the economy of a particular region, positive benefit to the particular region as well, okay. So जो inhabitants हैं उनकी life थोड़ी better हो सकती है. So these are the advantages, whereas disadvantages I have just explained. So guys, this is the question on environment. I hope you understood the question. If you still have any doubts, you can definitely ask me. I reply every comment regularly. So you can ask me in the comment section as well. And I received one comment lately and recently, and that comment was related to one of my students. He was like unable to join the Telegram channel. Please take care of uppercase and lowercase letter. आप कुछ ना कुछ गलती करो. That's the only reason you are unable to join that, okay. So just join there. I'll definitely share the PDF shortly. So guys, thank you very much for attending the session. If you really like this session, just share it with your friends, just share it with every other student preparing for IELTS exam. So please do this. It will do the needful for them, okay. It would take just 1 or 2 seconds or maximum 5 seconds from your end, but it would do needful for them. So thank you very much guys. It was really nice teaching you all today. Thank you. Bye. Take care.